Welcome to another AG equipment video. The first part of today's video is making sure there is plenty of ventilation space for your Saladette refrigerator, as shown on the sticker at the utility side of your fridge, and using a measuring tape. You must allocate a minimum of 150 mm or 15 cm ventilation space. Then lock both the front caster to keep the fridge in place. For optimal ventilation, you can in addition provide 150 mm or 15 cm at the back of the unit as well. In the second part of this video, we will be going through some of the features and operations of your Saladette. All Saladette models comes with a removable PVC cutting board. For your fridge to work correctly, all trays, dividers and lids must be fully populated with no gaps. All trays must be covered with lids at all times. At the end of service, close the hinged insulated lids over all of the trays to keep your fridge cool. You can do this by lifting it off its catch and gently letting it down. Thank you for watching. Please also watch our other videos for useful information and instructions.